Morning and welcome back. Today we are in Cremona doing a few errands, so I thought I would give you guys a quick tour. Behind me here is the square, so I'll show you some clips. So this is the town square, and down this street here is a street for violin makers. This city is famous for its violin makers. So we're gonna end the mini tour of Cremona here. It's really cold, so we're gonna go back to the house and do some work on the stairs. So we are at a local place where they work in iron and wrought iron and so on, and we are looking for. Actually, we stopped we saw an old gate, but we started talking to the old man who runs this shop, and quite an amazing place. He makes old gates and window bars and all sorts of things. He restores old lights. You can see over here, and he also collects old gates, etc. So we'll see what we can find. So, yeah, as I said, we went here to have a look at an old gate, which we saw from the road, but we managed to find this one. We had a knob like that similar in our house, but it was stolen, so we went and bought this one instead. So tomorrow they are gonna remove it and we're gonna go pick it up. So this is the door, and we'll see, we're most likely gonna do another layer on that. I'm not sure here. I'm quite happy with the shade that we have now on this. I'll speak to Anna about it when she's here tomorrow. The stonemason's job is amazing as usual. And in a bit, the electrician is here to finish, or I don't know, hopefully finish the work he started, and we are gonna do our best to finish the staircase, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So yet again, I've been picking up screws. This is actually the first time I'm happy it's raining a lot, because we've been waiting for a proper rain in order to see how much we need to mend our roof. We know there are some issues with the roof in the stables, but we haven't been sure exactly where it is. So I'm gonna go back now and mark up all the spots where we need to do some work. So my father is doing the last piece of wood that's gonna go in that corner over there, and then we are finished for now. We are gonna put a railing here in the future. We're not complete lunatics, but it's not gonna happen anytime soon, because this is clearly not our priority to build a staircase going up to the apartment build that we're gonna do here in I don't know how many years. For now we're gonna use this space for storage, so that we can continue working in the house. We need all this space to put all the things from our hoarder house. And the last piece of this is gonna go that way. We're gonna remove it in the coming days, I don't know. So yeah, the staircase is done for now. So the electrician has been here and he's done cables for the sauna, for the bath, and we have finished the staircase for now, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao!